In today's video, we'll talk about are wheel spacers actually safe?
You can run different size wheel spacers with no problem on Ford Bronco. For most cars, there is difference in the track width between the front and the wheel. When the front wheels look good but the back wheels stick in a little too far, we can add proper 2023 Ford Bronco wheel spacers to the rear only to fill out the rear wheel arches. The wheel track matches more closely to the front, which improves the appearance significantly. Half-century wheel spacers can create a firm and stable wheel connection. It is this compact point that bears the weight of the vehicle. The wheel locks are designed to secure the wheels with a clamping force when the vehicle is cornering. They are not strong enough to support the weight and loads generated through the wheel. You will eventually need wheel spacers with integrated half-century rims to ensure safety.
That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye!